good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk with another one of my patients at Deuk Spine Institute who traveled here to have herniated discs in her neck repaired. And instead of going the traditional route of spinal fusion, anterior cervical decompression and fusion, also known as ACDF, she wanted the endoscopic surgery. She didn't want to have metal in her neck. She didn't want to have a fusion. She wanted to have this fixed with the least invasive way so she can get back to her life quickly. Your surgery was just yesterday, about 24 hours ago, and here you are today. I can see your neck looks good. How do you feel?
I feel great. I can move my neck, I can move my arms, I can do anything. I can wash my dishes. It's excellent. It's really good.
Good. And before surgery, what kind of symptoms were you having that led you to come here and get your herniated disc fixed in your neck?
I've been in pain for 1.5 years. I've been having really bad headaches up my neck, left arm, elbow area pain. It hurt to put on a bra or to take a shirt off, tingling in my foot and in my hand, and just a lot of neck pain and a lot of
pain up the back.
Up my back.
So we call those cervicogenic headaches in the back of the head. And
lots of crackling in my ears, although you don't know if that, but.
Yeah, and your ear symptoms are better. I'm happy about that, I really am. But I don't tell patients their ear symptoms will get better with surgery because I don't know that they will. But It's great to hear that you are doing better. It is great. Very happy for you.
Yes.
How do you feel about the surgery? You just had it less than 24 hours ago. How are you feeling as a result of the surgery? A little soreness?
A little sore, but not really. I didn't take any medicine this morning. I woke up feeling good.
No narcotics?
No narcotics.
And you can't swallow things, you're able to swallow?
I can swallow, I can do anything.
Yeah. So when you have fusion surgery or ACDF, you're going to be on narcotics for weeks or months out of commission. Mm-hmm. And if you had a light duty job to go back to, would you be able to go back today?
Oh yeah. I feel I could even go back to my job today, but I just don't want to take the risk of injuring myself. But yes, I feel like I could go shopping.
And you probably will.
No. But,
all right.
Yeah, I recommend the Deuk laser.
Thank you.
Repair. Yep, absolutely.
Appreciate that. Anything you want to say to your fans out there and on YouTube?
Come see Dr. Deuk in Melbourne, Florida at the Deuk Spine Institute. He also did my fusion in 2020 in my lower back because I was not able to get the laser because I have a complicated lumbar. And that too, completely excellent. I was back to work in 2 weeks after that fusion.
Good.
2 weeks.
Yeah, but it's quite a difference in the amount of pain, right?
Yes. I took the narcotic for that for a week straight, but even so, when I tell people about that fusion, they're like in awe. Like, you were back to work 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Walking around, so.
Because there are people in general want to get back to their lives as quickly as possible. So if you can provide a solution for spine, like back pain, that will get them back quickly, they're going to be very interested in it. And we do our fusions outpatient. Patients go home the same day. You went home the same day.
I did.
And you had a great recovery, and you were back at work in 2 weeks.
Walked up the stairs. Yeah.
But this is a nicer recovery, you have to admit.
Oh, it is. Yeah. Oh, most definitely. I don't even feel like I had surgery. Right. I don't.
Yeah, very good. Well, listen, I appreciate it and your trust in us and commitment to us, and I think you're going to do fantastic.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Oh, and you can watch a little bit of the surgery right here. You can see us taking out the herniation. You had a really large herniation through the back, and it was pushing on your spinal cord, and you could see it was just crushing the spinal cord. I was able to peel it right off with the laser. I literally took it off about 1/10 of a millimeter at a time, and just very carefully got it right off your spinal cord with the laser. It was incredible. But you had 3 discs, and each one was a different age in terms of the herniation. The oldest being the C4-5, and then the newest being the C3-4, with the most recent pieces of herniation. You could see they look different. They're more blue and more raggedy. You'll be able to watch that with your video that we give you.
Yep, I'm going to watch that. Yep.
All right, well, safe travels and my best to your family,
yes,
okay?
Thank you.